Somebody recently asked me to do a video on how to adjust the idle speed on a Kawasaki Z900. The normal idle speed should be about 1000 RPM. However, whenever the weather's cold outside, it will idle faster than that until the bike warms up, and then it should drop back down to about 1000 RPM. The instructions in the manual aren't very helpful. The picture is kind of poor resolution and it doesn't really show you what you're looking at or how to get to it. This is your throttle in here. You can push it with your finger and hear the engine rev faster. Your idle speed is controlled by this screw underneath here that provides a stop for the throttle, which is spring loaded. If it's screwed in more, it pushes the throttle and makes the engine rev faster. To get to it though, you're going to have to take off this piece of trim right here. When I first took my cover off, this grounding cable right here was actually in the way. This cable was a little bit low, so I had to loosen this up and just turn the cable at a slightly different angle to get it out of the way. But now you can see the idle adjustment screw right there. And all you have to do is take a Phillips head screwdriver, tighten it clockwise to increase the idle speed, and loosen it counterclockwise to decrease your idle speed.